guys! Finally, a grow a garden updated. And now the swarm event is finally here. Oh, what? Oh, thank you. Didn't expect that, but okay. By the way, I still have more pollinated. You know what, let's just do this. Let's get this. Ooh, nah. Okay, and then this no. Oh, nah. And this one. Okay, what can I buy? What can I buy here? Bro, I wish I got the high fruit. The high fruit's awesome. I literally got the high fruit, but then I didn't have enough. Bro, why am I so laggy? Anyways, when's the next stock here? When's the next stock here? 10 minutes, okay. 10 minutes. Let's try to do my hobby over there. You're wondering how, don't ask. Just go here, go there. But I have a shortcut, okay? Okay, so let me just okay. What's in the sea truck, I wonder? Oh, Kako! Kako! Where's my Kako, bro? Kako! Cacao or whatever, or blah blah blah. Blah blah blah. Bro! Cacao. Cacao seed is here. Fucking here. Let's put it next to the... There. Go. Now let's keep on getting my pollinated. Still have so much, bruh. Let's go to the swarm event. Let's see if we get it. Bro, I am poor. I actually swear I'm so poor. Hurry up, man. Hurry up. What? What do you want? Oh, just but while we wait, let's check what's in the cosmetics. Fun crate! You! And that almost wasted all of my money. Bro. Get up. Well, yeah, that's all. That's it. Yeah, let's place it later. Let's go to the event. I still have so much. Ooh, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Collect. Nah, crazy. Let's do this coconut. Already with one coconut? Okay, bro, what the? Ah! Goodbye. You know what? I'm going to my secret base. Let's go to my secret base. Okay, wrong bamboo. Let's go here. Here. Okay. There, bop. Let's go here. No. Okay. It's over there. The torches are the hard part, bro. The torches. Got 'em. Let's just skip the whole lobby and then let us design this. Now where's the table that I bought? Out there. Now we just need to rotate. And then here, just like that. And then the floor is not a little bit of one line. Okay, nothing. Let's just... Where's the TV at? Where's the TV at? Okay. Seriously? What in the Sigma world is that, bro? What is that? Bro! What is that? Now how can I place this? Place it here? You've got to be kidding me. It's stuck. No. I'm gonna check what's in the seed. What's in the seed? Nothing good, bruh. You know what? I'm a bit poor. Let's collect everything we have. But I still miss the moon mango, bro. Even though my friend has it. Ah! So much mangoes! Peppers! Got you, peppers. Okay, sorry. I just got a golden. Wait. I was wondering how much mushrooms can I get it? Okay. Whatever, let's just start collecting. Oh man. Why did I go to the seed? Once on my end. 25 mil. Bruh. Whatever, let's get back to my obby, which is very tall. Let's go. Let's do it legit. Yeah, let's do it legit. So easy. Easy. The first checkpoint. I almost died. Bam. I actually hate this game. Look at my beautiful mushrooms, bro. Okay. Bro, why am I lagging? I'm lagging so bad. But seriously, how did that guy get that? How can he even climb that? Bro, you can climb this? Yo, hello. Oh. Is this guy a noob? Please don't tell me this guy's a noob. Please don't tell me this guy's a noob. If he's a noob, I will be so happy. He is. Never mind, he is not. Where's the other guy with the noob? Whatever. Not that guy. Is this his garden? Oh, that's not his garden. That's someone else's. That's his garden. Right here. This is his garden right now. Well, I feel so bad for him. Let me just go to my garden. Don't worry. Don't worry, man. I will help you get rich. Wait, let's give him one of his mushrooms. I mean, let me give him one of my mushrooms or whatever. Ooh, mushrooms. I'm sorry I had to collect you, but you're in good. I'm gonna say yo. Yo. I'm gonna say yo. Where is he? Yo. You're a noob? Are you 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 a noob, bro? Are you noob? Are you a noob? Are you a noob? Are you noob? Are you noob? Are you a noob? Because get over here, bro! Oh my gosh, bro doesn't want this. Why don't you want this, bro? The best. Okay, bro. Seriously, just have this, bro. You're. Why does bro keep teleporting? Where is he? Oh, there. No. Why does bro actually don't want it? Yeah, you know what? I give up. I'm just gonna sell it. Bro! Bro, stop moving. Anyways, it's finally here. Oh, thank you. I want to trade honey. Seriously, nothing useful. Bee, where are you, bees? Come here, bee. Bee. Bee! Oh, it's one of my coconuts. Okay. Thank you, bee. Let's go there. Let's go to my big coconuts that are just pollinated. Ah! How can I? Oh my. Okay. Pollinated. Why is there a coconut that's bloodlit, even though we don't need it? Where's the coconut? Oh, it's one of my moon melons. Moon melons, come here. There you go. Now time to get the coconut. Where's this coconut at? Is it not here? What? Oh, so it's up here? Not a single thing. Except whatever. Oh, that. Blueberry, nice. Seriously? Why is there a bloodlet here, bro? Like, bro, we don't even need that. Okay, bro. Okay. Ooh, what's that? What's that? What's that? What's that? Oh, it's a peach. Where is that? Oh. That's it? Okay. Wait. What? Oh. A moonlight? Nah, I just blooded. Bro. Bro, celestial bloodlet. Like, bro, that's useless now. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Help me. Okay. Okay. Get this. Okay. And then, is there more? Anything else? Anything? There. What are my apples? How can I? even get? Oh. Get it. Got it. B, what's your next strike? What's your next strike, B? Please be one of my mushrooms. Oh, it's my peach again. Oh, why? There. I have so much pollinators. So much pollen. Paul. Yo. Where's he going? Aw, man. Oh, it's my cranberry. My cranberry. Ooh, one of my grapes are. I have so much pollinated. Poll. You have so much. B, what's your next try? Please be one of my mangoes. Seriously, my coconut. I have so much things and you got a coconut. Row. Okay, whatever. Take it. I am not going to the seed shop until this guy comes here. Where is it? Actually, never mind. Okay. Okay, let's go there. Loki, I forgot where is it, but okay. Whatever. Okay. Hey, can you get some more, please? B, come here. Oh, there. Over there. Trying to squeeze. Bro, just leave. Okay. Why can't I? Like, cookie. Okay. How can I even get the peach, bro? Wait, what? Friend boost. There's a friend. Who is it? Okay, he left. Bro, why am I so laggy? I give up. I'm so laggy, bro. See, I'm so laggy. Grr. Okay, why am I so laggy? Someone here has 19 bells. Oh, let's get that. Bro, I'm so laggy. Bro, this night owl. This blood owl's useless. Hi. Now, where is it? Oh, my coconuts. Another one of my cocoa notes. Yeah, my cocoa notes. By the way, how can I? Hello? Hello? There. How can I? Where? There. Where even is it, bro? Where even is it? There it is. Now, where is it? Where's more? That more? Is that all? Is that all? Seriously? Wait, no, my durian. Yeah. The problem is, how can I get that? Like, bro. I can't even get my durians now. If I only had a harvest tool. I actually swear if I only had a harvest tool. Gosh, bro. Where? My bamboo. One of my bamboos. Finally. I have so much pollinated pollen. So you have so much. Why did I favorite this blood banana? Disco. Mango! Mango! Yo, mango! It's that over there. Wait, it's that over there. Why am I so laggy? Okay, here. Pollinated. Got him. What else? Where? A glowshroom. Bruh. Ah! Okay, I'm actually so laggy right now. No, it's gone! No! Paul. Anyways. Okay, bro, I'm actually so laggy. Let's go to the queen. Hello there, queen. I must say, what is here? A mango, oh my gosh. The mango is so good. I want to try the honey. Bruh. You know what? I'll get this. Yeah. I'll get this. I'll get only one of them. If I don't get something good, I'm actually gonna scream for my life. Lilac! Yo! That's fire! Let's get it. Lilac. Why is it even called the lilac? Okay, I'm actually lagging. Yeah, I'm about to disconnect. Okay, lilac or whatever, blah blah blah. Wait, what? Wait, I'm lagging, bro. Sheesh. Why am I lagging this bad? Pole. So much. Okay, let me check if it's okay. I have my other ones ready, okay? So you see this glove room, this is for the queen. Alright! No! Someone's doing my hobby. Look at that, someone's doing my hobby over there. Nah, they fell! Okay, you know what? Let's go. Help them. Out. Nah, bro's actually doing it. Nah. Bro gives up. When he saw me, he gave up. Bro thinks I'ma say, bro, get up! You're not allowed to do my hobby. Plus, it's a secret bait. Okay? Okay! Yay! Okay, perfect. That's perfect. The problem is, I can just go here, go there, like that. Easy, bap. Whee! Wee, wee. Now it's time to go here. Is it done yet? 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then 0. Hell. Nah, honey's way better than... Whatever. Shocked coconut, nah. Okay, let's go. Bro. Oh my gosh. Bro has this pollinated. You know what? Let me check what's in the gear shop actually. I forgot I had this. Pollinated. Oh wait, I forgot I had the fun crate. Fun crate, the fun crate, the funny crate. Yeah, the funny crate. Fun crate. Seriously? 1 hour? Brother. Alright guys, that's the end of the swarm event. I hope you enjoyed. Now, see you later. The video ends at when I see the shop. Okay, see you. Okay, see you guys. See you later. See ya.